Tired of wrestling with messy spreadsheets that are cluttered with blank rows? Let's streamline your data and make it shine. First, we need to pinpoint the exact data you want to clean. Simply click anywhere within your data, then press Ctrl+A on your keyboard to select the entire dataset. Now, let's unlock a powerful Excel feature. Press Ctrl+G to bring up the Go to dialog box. Within this window, click the Special button. In the Go to Special window, we'll focus only on the empty cells. Place a check mark next to blanks and then click OK. Observe how all the blank rows are now precisely highlighted. This visually confirms that Excel has identified every row we intend to remove. It's time to eliminate these empty rows efficiently. Navigate to the Home tab on the Excel ribbon. In the Cells group, find and click the small drop-down arrow on the Delete button. From the presented options, choose Delete Sheet Rows. This command will swiftly remove all the highlighted blank rows, instantly tidying your data. And just like that, your spreadsheet is now pristine, free from any unnecessary blank rows. Your data is ready for accurate analysis and a polished presentation. For more transformative Excel tips, don't forget to subscribe.